Okay, viewers, today we want to talk about how to analyze a building, a structural building using Orion 18. And as you can see, we have the plan already. We have the building already, at which we did in our last tutorial. Here is a building, one suspended slab that is 1 story. This is what we did in our last tutorial. If you did not watch it, please check the link below, or you just check my videos, you'll see it. Then you watch and see how we loaded this building, this structure. These are the slabs we loaded, the beams, the columns, all the loadings we did in our first, or that was our second tutorial. Check below, you will see the link. Then you watch and follow on. Then this is the upper floor. This place that you see void is total stairway. We loaded everything. So before we start, viewers, please, I would like you to just click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button, comment anything that you don't understand, just comment anything you wish, just comment, then share the link. Most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get started with the building analysis. Before you start the building analysis, we must go to 01, story 01. There on story 01, the first thing that you need to do is to go to building analysis, edit your materials. Part of these things we did in our first tutorial when we were doing the loading. So go to edit material. This one has already been edited to my concrete grade should be 20 or 25. Apply to all. You can see it has applied. Then my steel grade is 410, type 2 410. Click OK. Then you go to my columns diameter. That's my bar size for my columns, and I want it to be 16 and 20. So you check out every other bar diameters remaining just 16 and 20. You click OK. For my walls, I do not have any wall. For my beams, I'd love it to be 16 only. So you check out every other bar size remaining just 16. You click OK. Slab, I choose my slab to be 12. So you check out every other remaining just 12. I don't have ripped slab. This is for ripped slab. Foundation, I may not design foundation today, but in case I do that, I just want it to be 12 and 16. Yeah, 12 and 16. Click OK. My links should be just 8 and 10. So you check out every other remaining, just uncheck every other remaining 8 and 10. Click OK and click OK. After clicking OK, you exit this very one. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to strip our slab. You go to toolbar, click on strip, click on strip, then you start your stripping. If you see, we are starting on the X direction. Yeah, X direction. So this is a cantilever and this is a cantilever, so it's starting from cantilever to cantilever. So you click cantilever to cantilever, press down your control button, click to have a straight line and drag. And here also we have from cantilever down to cantilever, so you click down your control button, click and drag. That one is done. Then from here we also have we will have from cantilever to bob, I guess so. So from cantilever to bob, the white surface is bob. When there is nothing on it, when there is no structural member on it, it is just from cantilever to bob. So you click down your control button, click cantilever to bob. That one is set. That one is set. So here will be bob to cantilever. Let's try bob to cantilever. Okay, we are done with that one. Then we now move over to our Y directions. Oh, we were not done with our X direction. We have from cantilever to cantilever, if I'm not mistaken. Let's try it. Cantilever to cantilever. Okay, here too, cantilever to bob. Yeah, cantilever to bob, cantilever to bob. Good. Then we now move over to our Y direction. On our Y direction, we have from cantilever to cantilever. So cantilever to cantilever, click and drag down. Okay, we are done with that one. Then here we have cantilever to bob, so cantilever to bob. So this is cantilever to bob. We are done with that one. Then we now have bob to cantilever, bob to cantilever. Then we now have bob to cantilever too. Okay, we are done with this very one. Then here will be cantilever to cantilever. Now click cantilever to cantilever, click and drag down. Yeah, we are done with that, the stripping. So see, everything jam-packed, but never to worry, we did what was supposed to be done. So for everybody that found stripping so difficult, at least you have learned something today. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Like I said, bob is where there is no loading. Cantilever is just, when we were loading, here was cantilever, here was cantilever all through. Then beam, if your loading started from beam to beam or from slab to slab, then you did that. It's very simple. Okay, I think we are done with that. Then The next thing we are about to do now is to analyze the building. So you go to building analysis in the toolbar, click on analyze, click on beam reinforcements and wall columns, tick all this, then you press start. Now it will take some seconds to analyze the whole building, and when everything is done, you'll see a signal that the building analysis is successful. See, building analysis completed successfully. So with Orion, it is very simple. If only you went all through these in maybe manual calculation or other software, you would have taken much time to analyze just a simple building. But with Orion, just some seconds, building analysis completed successfully. Okay, let's check if actually what we wanted is done. We close this. Let's check our run. Let's do our finite element analysis. We go finite element analysis, mesh flow, you say yes, then you generate model and close it. Everything has been analyzed. Then you go to analyze post processing. Okay, everything is okay here. You close and you close. Then we now go to run. Let's check our column design if they are actually okay. You see, our column designs are okay. Look at it, design okay. They are giving tick to. Everything is okay. Our column size was 225 by 225. Look at the U ratio, then the steel bars, then the links, number of links. You see, everything is very okay, which means design is okay. If actually it was not okay, it would have given you a room to column design, to batch model, so to redesign it here. Once you have maybe a design that is not okay, it will give you not okay here with red. All of these green colors here will be red. Then what you need to do is to click on this batch design and redesign. Once you redesign, everything will be okay. Unless they are not okay, they will tell you, and you will go and reload it again. You close. Then this is the building analysis for columns. If you wanted a summary of the table, or maybe you wanted to print it, you click it here. Everything is here. You can print this and give it to your bar bender. They will know what to do. Or you print it and give it to your clients, or you print it and give to your quantity surveyor. They will know what to use this and do and quantify the whole of the building. Then if you wanted to check the column analysis, click OK here. Look at the comprehensive column analysis here, from beginning to the very end. Okay, column capacity analysis report. You can close that. Column forces. All of these things are the things you're supposed to have done in manual calculation, but Orion has made it more simpler for you. Then if you wanted a detailing of this building for the columns, you click on detail drawing. Still on this same page, column reinforcement, you click on detail drawing. you click on detailed drawing here again, or you click on automatic details. Once you click on automatic details, you choose if you want to draw the detailed drawing for the story 1 columns or the story 2 columns. But for the sake of these studies, we will choose the 2, that is all story. Then you click OK. It will automatically take you to AutoCAD, drawing all the column detail. As you can see, these are the column detail, so no need for you to be drawing your detailings, be fighting with your drawing board and fighting with your pencil and rulers. The detailed drawings are quite neat. Look at how neat they are. Even the section of the detailed drawings are here. So beautiful. Our column size was 225 by 225. You see, look at the bar bending schedule, 170, 170, 170. Look at it, and look at the bar, 20 y8 at 4, then spacing 175. L is 850. You can see everything so neat and beautiful. All the columns we have are here. So if you wanted to print, it's just for you to click and print directly from AutoCAD. Okay, let's go back. Okay, this is a standard detail drawing. Look at it, so beautiful. You can equally print one for all, but because all has almost the same elements, the same bar size and bar bending. Okay, you can close this one, and let's go for our beams. Now go to beams, story beams. You can see everything is beautiful, everything is okay. Look at the green, it's giving you a green light that all the beams are okay. And if it were not to be okay, you still have your batch mode here to click. And if you need the detailings for the beams, you click on detail drawings, you go to automatic details, click all, click OK to now direct you back to AutoCAD again. Look, everything so beautiful. With CSC ORION, life is easy, simple, fast, economical when it comes to structural analysis. Look at the sections of the beams, so neat. We have neat detailed drawings. Even we also have a schedule. Look at the steel bar quantity schedule. Look at everything has been quantified. Unit weight, total length, total weight, grand total. You see, everything has been quantified. So the only thing is just to print this and give to your bar bending bar bender or iron bender, so to call. They'll start bending it, or you just take it to the market. They will give you numbers of bars you need for this very project. Look at it. So it's very, very beautiful, very, very beautiful, so neat. So if you wanted to draw it, just choose one and draw, and it will come out so beautiful. Okay, let's try one and preview. Like Ctrl P in AutoCAD. You can choose default windows, any paper size you wish, because we are not really printing. And Windows, let's do as if you want to print just this, and you preview. Look at it, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Everything well detailed, neat detailing. So we can actually close this because we didn't really want it. Okay, let's go back to Orion. So that's how to that is how to analyze a building in a structure using CSC Orion. If you wanted to design staircase, which will be in our next class, this is staircase. I'll show you how to design a staircase. If you wanted to design a column, sorry, footing, everything is just here. But in our next class, I'll show you how to design our footings. This is where we are going to design our footings. All these columns, their base. If you wanted to design the base of this structure, but we are not going to design the base of the structure today. So please, viewers, click on the subscribe button, because the next video that is going to come in here is going to be how to design footings. So click on subscribe button so that you'll be notified when our next video will be out, and also click on the notification. Make sure you comment and like and share on this very video. Let's check our slab analysis. Slab story. This only this story. Close. It's supposed to be here. Slab stories. Slab analysis design. It's going to take you, look at it. The slab analysis is well analyzed. Slab analysis and design results. Look at everything is here. Deflection check. Sufficient. Look at everything is okay here. Bottom Y 12 250. Look at everything. Look at the cantilever slab here. Everything has been well analyzed. So life is so much easy with CSC Orion. So I recommend CSC Orion for all structural engineers. You really enjoy it. So that is how to analyze a structure in CSC Orion. I hope you have learned a lot today. Remember, we stripped from here. After stripping, what did we do next? After stripping, you go to fillet elements in run. Go to Orion to run and click on the fillet elements. And when you click on the fillet elements, you batch. That's the second thing we did. You close. Then after doing that, you click on your structural analysis, analyze, and start the analysis. I think there were 4 steps. The other steps was to edit the bar, to edit your materials. You know, your concrete grade, your grade of steel, and your bar size. You know what to fix them. Then you are home and try at analyzing. Start. Click on the start button, and everything will be analyzed for you. So I hope you have learned something today, viewers. Please remember to click on the subscribe button. I think that should be bye for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you.